Hello FPL lovers, welcome back to another video on the channel where we will review Game Week 10 and discuss some potential transfers for upcoming game weeks, followed by team selection for Game Week 11. And before we move forward, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification. With that being said, let's get started. Due to absence of Zaha, I had to play with 4-3-3 formation. Aston Villa conceded 2 goals against West Ham United. Martinez failed to register a single save in the match and returned a disappointing score of just 1 point. Koufal provided me 2 points. It was a below par performance for Koufal, who failed to provide any crosses. So quite a disappointing performance from West Ham United wingback. Liverpool were denied a win and a clean sheet by a late penalty strike by Brighton. Robertson was doing great until he gave away a penalty. Mane's goal was ruled offside, otherwise Robertson would have got an assist. He was unlucky not to get clean sheet and any bonus point. Chelsea kept in their draw against Spurs. Chilwell provided me 8 points due to his 2 bonus points. He created 1 chance and attempted 4 crosses. Now coming to midfield. Majority of my points came from midfielders. I got 12 points from Salah, who was also my captain. Salah could have scored a goal which was ruled offside by VAR. He provided 1 assist and that saved me from blank points by Salah. Bruno helped United to come back against Southampton. He scored 1 goal and provided 1 assist. He attempted 6 shots and created 1 chance. He missed 1 big chance which could have increased his points, but nonetheless 10 points was a good return from him. Jack Grealish scored the only goal against West Ham, but he was the man of the match due to his great performance. He created 5 chances, most by any player, and completed 8 dribbles in the match. Due to his great performance, he was awarded 3 bonus points. Now coming to attack. All 3 attackers blanked this game week. Kane had a quiet game against Chelsea's defense. Leeds United won the match, but Bamford and Calvert-Lewin failed to score any goal. So I had a poor game week this time with a score of just 52 points, taking my total to 634 FPL points. Luckily my rank is still under 90k. There was no major improvement in my rank since last game week. Now coming to transfer for Game Week 11. I have 2 free transfer. Seeing Man City's fixture ahead, I have decided to bring Kevin De Bruyne in place of Bruno Fernandes. Man City will be up against Fulham, so he will be my ideal choice for captaincy next game week. Now let's see my team selection for Game Week 11. Martinez will be up against Newcastle, hoping for some good points after 2 consecutive blanks. In defense, I will have Robertson, who will be up against Wolves. Robertson was unlucky last game week. Chilwell will be up against Leeds United, who are in good form right now, drawing against Arsenal and defeating Everton. Justin will be up against Sheffield United. I just hope it doesn't turn out to be like their Fulham match where Leicester was expected to keep clean sheet. Koufal will be up against Manchester United, which will be a tough fixture. In midfield, we have Kevin De Bruyne, who will be up against Fulham. Kevin De Bruyne will be my captain. Manchester City ended the relative goal drought with a 5-0 win over Burnley. Kevin De Bruyne provided 2 assists. He created 5 chances and shot 1 on woodwork. Seeing City's performance against Burnley, we can hope that they can continue their form against Fulham. Grealish will be up against Newcastle defense. Grealish was man of the match in his previous game week and hope to continue his form against Newcastle. Salah will be up against Wolves, who are going through their ups and downs. Their star striker Jimenez will be out, so that will affect the whole team. In attack, we have Bamford, who will face his childhood club Chelsea. Seeing the defense of Chelsea, it will be a tough fixture for Bamford. Calvert-Lewin will be up against Burnley, who have quite a shaky defense, so we can expect some good return from Calvert-Lewin. Kane will be up against Arsenal, and seeing the current form of Arsenal, we may expect some goals from Kane. In bench, I will have Zaha, Bissouma and Michel. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do share with your FPL buddies and subscribe the channel for more FPL related videos.